The most beautiful people we have known are those who have known defeat, known suffering, known struggle, known loss, have found their way out of the depths. These people have an appreciation, sensitivity, and an understanding of life that fills them with compassion, gentleness, a deep loving concern. Beautiful people do not just happen.
हो ना, म्हणजे एक्झाम जवळ आली की नेहमी म्हणजे हेच म्हणजे माइंडमध्ये चाललं असतं की माझा रायटर कोण असेल, तो येईल की नाही वेळेवर वगैरे वगैरे.
The lives of the blind people of Manobal Institute was challenging, but they didn't look back, heading on their way to opportunity, self-determination, and passion.
मुलांचं काय मी एक्सपिरियन्स केलं, त्यांना भीती वाटते म्हणजे एखाद्याचा पेपर लिहायचा वगैरे, तर खूप भीती वाटते काय होईल काय नाही, प्रॉब्लेम होईल वगैरे, तर ती भीती त्यांनी हे करावी. आणि
Heroes are not made, they are born out of circumstances and rise to the occasion when their spirit can no longer coexist with the hypocrisy of injustice to others. Meet Milind Sonawane, a person who is helping them, becoming their reader and writer, making himself available at every point of time. Milind Sonawane, a small town guy from Dhule district, who completed his post-graduation and came to Jalgaon as a part of his case study. Here, when he met the people of Manobal Institute, he knew that he could explore more with the help of these people. Manobal Institute is helping the blind students by preparing them for competitive exams. However, the problem arises when these people do not get proper writer or reader. Milind decided to help them by devoting his time to become their reader and writer. Milind with his friends try to make themselves available whenever they need them.
थोड़ा ट्रैवलिंग में प्रॉब्लम होता था कि मुझे मेरा वक्त निकालना पड़ता था, बस इससे मेरे को खुशी मिलती है. मतलब आपको अगर कोई काम करना हो जिससे आपको खुशी मिलती है, आप उसमें वक्त निकालते हो. मुझे खुशी मिलती थी वो बच्चों को पढ़ के बताने में, इसलिए मैं पढ़ के बताता. तब मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि भगवान ने मुझे जो दो आँखें दी, उनका मैं ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इस्तेमाल कर सकता. खाली उनको पढ़ के बता रहा हूँ कि वो क्या लिखा है, जो कि वो नहीं पढ़ सकते. मुझे आंखें दिए तो मुझे तो इतना मेरा ये कर्तव्य बनता है कि मुझे ये करना ही चाहिए. और उनके साथ में जितना भी वक्त बिताता हूँ, वो मुझे मतलब ऐसा फील होता है कि भाई मैं कुछ तो भी कर रहा हूँ. मेरे पास आंखें हैं इसलिए मैं वो कर रहा हूँ. अगर मैं अंधा होता तो मेरे लिए कोई करता.
Milind stays in a rented room with no proper conditions. He works hard for his living and manages to earn limited sum of money by giving home tuitions to the primary students. On the other hand, the blind people of the institute lack proper guidance and support from their families. They are discouraged by their own family members who do not believe in them anymore. These people with disabilities, who generally consider themselves successful, are looked down upon by their own community. In spite of the problems like not getting proper writer or reader, what has kept them going is their will, their belief to become strong and self-reliant. They are not scared to face the problems of the world, but rather they choose to focus on their career, which is the most important. This is a story of persecution of people, story of aiming high and becoming self-reliant as the unrecognized warriors of the state. Milind is on his way to help them by conquering challenges and urges the people to come forward. It is not the sympathy they require, it is the support.